religion should be taught in school because it is part of our life and it tell us our.
According to me, religion should not taught in school because this is democracy country and a circulation country. That's why religion should not taught in school.
Sanskrit and Urdu are taught in a government school, so that there is no discrimination among them.
But Sanskrit and Urdu is a language. That's why teach in school.
Every student teaches this.
But this is language.
But it is also related to the religion. But no one can raise voice against these subjects.
If religion teach in school, so when child read their basic subject like history, geography, etc. When
Is this subject are related to the religion?
means I'm saying okay, one second, please repeat your point.
Is the subject of Sanskrit and Urdu is related to the religion?
No, that's why teach. No, that's why teach in school, in our school, because this is our language, basic language, English, Hindi, and Urdu, etc.
But if we study about religion, so we will get more knowledge about religion, and we get more information about the religion.
Okay, so in our country have a lots of religion like a Sikh, Isai, and Hindu, Muslim, etc. If it teach in our school, so it make like a discriminations of between children, like some teacher teach them like Gita, Bhagavad Gita, and some teach and if some teach like a Nawaz, etc. So how they interest in their means everyone faith in their religions. So why they teach their another religion in school? Because in school not teach only one religion. If
Discrimination will be arise when we teach only one particular religion. But if we teach about all religions, so this problem will not arise.
but it makes so many so discrimination between children. They don't.
It depends on how this subject student take in a negative way and positive way. If it takes in a positive way, so it is good for development of society, and it helps to promote religion.
But according to me, it make a group of religion. So it can be war also. It can be happen because of group of religion. That's why according to me, only basic subject are teach.
If we study about religion, so we get more knowledge about the religion of and we get more information about all religion. So it will help to reduce the conflict between society, because everyone knows about religion.
Why other child teach another religions? Why? Because they have only faith on their religion. So he teach means he read.
It depends on society where they live. It depends on how their parents upbring them.
But according to me, I think its parents can also teach their children religions. Not
Yes, they teach some parents who didn't worship of their caste and religion.
according to me, our government authority know as very well. Like if religion teach in our school, so it makes so many discrimination. That's why our government authority didn't allow to teach religion in our school.
There are many fight in caste and religion. We should explain caste and religion in school.
Religion teach in our schools, so children make so many caste discriminations like upper and lowers.
Religion do not say that you are fight another religion person, Hindu, Muslim, etc.
But everyone way is not same for supporting their religions. Means everyone have another way. Like both people do same thing, so it make a discrimination. Like they do there and if they do there. If in a school like it.
So that's why if we study about religion, so everyone knows about religion. So no one can create discrimination between religion, and everyone respect every religion.
So how many religion teach in a school? Not one, two. Means not only one or two. So many religion in the country. But and this is no one have a right to teach a particular religion, etc. Because it's democracy in our
Caste and
country.
religion is not wrong thing. It should be taught in school.
So if it teach in our school, so I think our government authority school, why they didn't? So language, Sanskrit, Urdu, Telugu, Hindi, English, it
But
language.
it also related to our religion and caste.
Another
It isn't?
So Hindi teach in our school, Sanskrit teach in our school, so Urdu also as a language teach.
Urdu also teach in some school.
Yes,
Most
government.
of the school it's a literature subject.
Yes.
Means like a language.
But it teaches us Urdu. It teaches
But-
Urdu. And the language Urdu is also related to religion.
Okay, so Sanskrit is also related
Yes,
to the
it-
religions.
Yes, it is
So it
not.
teach through the language, by the language teach.
Language.
By the language means by the language, through the language.
I didn't understand.
Means you are saying na like in Urdu and Sanskrit it also it's also like a religion. Yeah, this is not. So I'm just saying it's also depend on it teach only through the language.
Means word like a Sanskrit word.
Sanskrit
It's a-
is like a Hindus.
Give me an example.
Okay.
studying
Okay. Like
In the
a
book of Sanskrit, many sloks are present in the book related to the Mahabharata and Ramayana. So these sloks are taught in school, and so in this situation, Muslims are not Muslim don't raise voice against that sloks because they want to read and because they are interested in to know about that.
But Muslims also have a like a in a history have a khilji. So there is also a history.
Dynasty.
Means you are saying me na like in a Mahabharata and in a Ramayana have a Hindu security. So modern people can't do anything like. So in a history have also like a khilji and so many history का मामला
There is Sultanate. There is Sultanate.
history में भी तो बहुत से चलते
There is Sultanate ना.
like Mughals empire it teach. Mughal empire is also teach in a history.
Don't you have something? Please speak it out. Raj and you, Ayush. You, mister?
student was going to school because increase our knowledge and become an educated person, and they would want to become her life better. But in our school they teach Sanskrit, Urdu, but it was not related with our religion. It's a story in Sanskrit, in Urdu, but not our history was tell. No. Okay. How many sloks in Sanskrit? How many
How
Bhagavad
should I
Gita?
know? I
But-
didn't read Bhagavad Gita or
Yes.
Mahabharata.
But
You read, then you tell me how many slokas are there.
But in our school there was not tell Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and
Yes, it is.
there has no Ramayana chapter and Mahabharata. Some related that you would like, you can read.
But in my books it has. Yes, it has.
But
Please, I request you. Once
okay,
again.
but if our school was telling about our religion, then he was talk about full details and that things that child was know about her religion. But in our Sanskrit and Urdu was in our Sanskrit, I don't connect with my religion.
Why? You can focus.
Yes, but
You have choice that you which subject, which language do you want to learn. Then you can go. You have choice.
yes, but we all talking about in
Yeah.
school. In school, if I want to know about Mahabharata, Ramayana, Gita, then I can read
But
without.
if you,
Because it make discrimination between the students.
it depends on human. It depends on students' mind. That how their upbringing means. How was their upbringing and what their parents teach him. If their parents teach him that you should not respect other religion, expect your religion, then it can be discrimination. Then you can say.
Okay, if our was not teach us about her religion, her caste and other caste. In my school, the students, the Urdu subject was in other classes. They will teach Urdu class, and in my class, they was divided.
Means there was Muslim.
Teach in our school, so how many periods?
Means
If all religion teach in our school, so how many periods we have to face? Because student have a busy day, like they means a whole day they
it also have a choice. It also have a solution.
But
Means
means
that
if in school teach not only one religion. If you teach religion in our school, so they don't have only one right to teach. Means only they can't teach only one religion in our school. That's why our government authority didn't allow.
why, if government authority didn't allow, then why?
This is language.
But it is related to religion.
So what is the problem? Means what is the problem? Sanskrit related to Hindu and Urdu related to the
English.
Muslim.
English.
It also taught-
Hindi.
Should I say?
Means
Should I say?
yeah.
फिर आप चिल्ला लग जाओगे इसलिए हो गया. Also related to in small classes that were a story